What's up, guys? So, two raw mega yellow packs here. Let me get them out of the casing.
I'm the cameraman.
You're a faggot.
I'm helping.
No, you aren't.
Oh.
No, you are. Okay, there. Got whatever this is. That thing. Oh, System Down, nice. Oh, Glider-Based War Chariot, nice rare. Whoops. Ultra Macrocosmos, that's nice. Secret Crystal Break-In, that's crap. Super Grand Mole, that's nice. This thing. Some 6-Sam thing. Some Derp. And Diamond Dude. So, pretty good pack.
Those were a lot of pretty pictures.
Your face is a lot of pretty pictures.
Okay then.
Oh, bang! Okay. So we've got Gladiator's Return. This thing. This do Fun Dojo. Some rare weird thing. Ultra Lumina Lightsworn Summoner. That's nice. Secret Crystal Beacon. Super Crystal Beast Ruby Carbuncle.
There's a lot of crystals in this game.
This weird thing. This crappy thing. Come on, Thunder King. Card Ejector. Galleys, which is nice. And dang it. No Thunder King. But yeah, thanks for watching.
How do I...